വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മാത്സ് ട്യൂഷൻ. നമുക്കിന്ന് ട്രിപ്പിൾ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഞാൻ ഡബിൾ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും കണ്ടു കാണും, പഠിച്ച് കാണുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ ഇട്ട ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസൊക്കെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനപ്പെട്ടു എന്ന് ഒരു കുട്ടി കമൻ്റ് ഇട്ടിരുന്നു. താങ്ക്സ് എല്ലാവരോടും, പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും കമൻ്റ് ഇട്ട കുട്ടിയോടും താങ്ക്സ്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഞാനിട്ട വീഡിയോയിൽ പല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കുറവാണെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കുക. ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്ത കുട്ടികളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കൂട്ടുകാർക്കൊക്കെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും സപ്പോർട്ട് വേണം. ഓക്കെ, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ 0 to log 2 0 to x plus y e raised to x plus y plus z dz dy dx. Here limit is x plus y in terms of x and y. So integrating with respect to z first. 0 to log 2 0 to x e raised to x. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. E raised to x plus y plus z within the limit 0 to x plus y. 0 to log 2 0 to x. Replace z by x plus y. Replace z by x plus y. X plus y plus x plus y minus e raised to, replace z by 0. Zero to log 2. E raised to 2x plus 2y. അതിനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്തെഴുതാം. We can split e raised to 2x plus 2y. a raised to m plus n, a raised to m into a raised to n form. e raised to 2x into e raised to y. e raised to x into e raised to y. dy dx. Here variable is x. So integrating with respect to y. 0 to log 2 e raised to 2x constant e raised to 2y, that is e raised to 2y by 2 minus e raised to x into e raised to y within the limit 0 to x. Here replace y by x. 0 to log 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x, that is e raised to 4x. e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x minus within the bracket replace y by 0, e raised to 0 1, e raised to 2x by 2 minus e raised to x dx. Integral 0 to log 2 e raised to 4x by 2 minus e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x by 2, like terms, that is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 e raised to 2x, minus into minus plus. Then integrating with respect to x. e raised to 4x by 4, 4 into 2 8, 3 e raised to 2x by 2, 2 into 2 4, e raised to x within the limit 0 to log 2 e raised to 4 log 2. Replace x by log 2 upper limit minus 3 e raised to 2 log 2 by 4 minus within the bracket e raised to 0 1, 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus e raised to 0 1. M log x is equal to log x raised to m. 4 log 2, we can write log 2 raised to 4. E raised to log x, that is x. So this becomes e raised to log 16, that is 16. 4 log 2 means log 2 raised to 4. M log x is equal to log x raised to m. 4 log 2 is equal to log 2 raised to 4. E raised to log 2 raised to 16 is equal to 16. Minus, similarly 2 log 2, log 4. E raised to log 4, 4. 3 into 4 by 4. Plus e raised to log 2, 2. Minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. 2 plus 2 4. 4 minus 3 1. 1 minus 1 cancel. Taking LCM. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. 3 into 2 6. 5 by 8. Next question. Question number 2. Integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to x. Integral 0 to x plus y. X plus y plus z. dz, dy, dx. 0 to 1, 0 to x. X plus y plus z. Here limit in terms of x and y, so integrating with respect to z first. X plus y is a constant. X plus y into z plus z square by 2 within the limit 0 to x plus y dy dx. Integral 0 to 1, 0 to x. Replace z by x plus y. X plus y into x plus y plus x plus y the whole square by 2 minus, replace z by 0, we get 0. Integral 0 to 1. Like terms, 0 to x, 2 into this plus this. That is 3 by 2 x plus y the whole square . 3 by 2 into integral 0 to 1, 0 to x, x plus y the whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square, dy dx. Integrate, variable is x. So integrating with respect to y. Here x square constant, x square into y, 2x into y square by 2, 2 cancel, y raised to 3 by 3 within the limit 0 to x. Here x square constant, x square into y, 2x into y square by 2, 2 cancel, y raised to 3 by 3. Replace y by x, x cube plus x into x square. x cube plus x cube by 3 minus 0. Like terms, 3x cube, 3x cube, x cube. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3 x cube. 3 cancel. 7 by 2 into integral x raised to 3. That is x raised to 4 by 4. Within the limit 0 to 1. 1 raised to any number? 1. 1 by 4. Seven by 8. Next question. Integral minus c to c minus b to b minus a to a. X square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx. We can integrating with this order. Z, y, x minus c to c minus b to b x square plus y square plus z square. Here x square plus y square is a constant. Z is the term. Z square, it is an even term, like even function. Minus a to a, f of x is equal to 0 when f of x is odd. Is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx when fx is an even function. Even function means f of minus x is equal to fx. This is even, no change. F of minus x is equal to minus fx, then that function is called odd function. In the case of odd function, value of this integral is 0. So, 2 into integral 0 to a x square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx. We can take 2 outside, minus c to c minus b to b. Here x square plus y square is a constant. Okay. X square plus y square into z plus z raised to 3 by 3 within the limit 0 to 8. That is 2 into, replace z by a, x square plus y square into a plus a cube by 3 dy dx. Here, integrating with respect to y. Again, y square, x square constant, a cube by 3 constant, y square a. It is an even function. So, we can write two into minus c to c, 2 into integral 0 to b, x square plus y square into a plus a cube by 3 dy dx. Two into 2, 4. Minus c to c, integrating with respect to y. That is x square a into y, a into y raised to 3 by 3 a cube by 3 into y within the limit 0 to b. That is 4 into minus c to c. Replace y by b. X square ab cube by 3 plus a cube by 3b dx. Integrating with respect to x. Here x square ab is an even function. So 4 into 2, 8, 0 to c, x square ab cube by 3 plus a cube b by 3 dx. 8 into ab constant, x raised to 3 by 3 plus ab cube by 3 into x, a cube b into x by 3 within the limit 0 to c. That is 8 into, replace x by c. a b c cube by 1 by 3, we can take 1 by 3 outside. a b c cube plus a b cube c plus a cube b c. We can take a b c outside. a b c cube, a b cube c, a cube b c. We can take a b c outside. 8 by 3 a b c and within the bracket c square plus b square plus a square, or a square plus b square plus c square. 8 by 3 abc into c square plus b square plus a square. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും നന്നായി പഠിക്കണം. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്ത കുട്ടികളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് കാണുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.